Pranay Jain. I belong to Telangana state. Here I am standing before you to share my volunteerism experience. Before sharing my experience, I just want to share what in fact the volunteerism is. So in general terms, volunteerism is the use or involvement of volunteer labor, especially in community service. As per UNO, the volunteerism is defined as one of the powerful way for an individual to gain a strong civic sense of engagement and to bring about a positive transformational change in the communities and in the society that we live in. Volunteerism is a practice of providing our time and skills for the benefit of the other people and for a cause without any expectation or any financial benefit in return. To begin with, I have engaged with eVidya Loka since last year as a teacher. eVidya Loka is an educational social enterprise with a vision to enable quality in education for the children of rural India. It is realized by connecting passionate individuals as volunteer teachers from across the country and world with government elementary schools in rural and remote villages in India. Here, the individuals get connected with children through Skype or any other social platform and teach them. As I have engaged with eVidya Loka for about an year, I learned many things by teaching them, and I also explored myself and my inner talent. So, I would like to thank eVidya Loka for giving me this opportunity and fulfilling my passion of teaching. I am also engaged as a VFOS online volunteer for UN, that is United Nations. I am and I will be a part of various online campaigns on social media on various social and environmental issues, thereby bringing awareness about those issues among family members, peer groups, and friends. UNV is a nodal UN agency that contributes to peace and development worldwide through volunteerism. UNV, UN Volunteers, believes in volunteerism for development. So, as I am a part of it and I being an online volunteer, I got connected with many people from various parts of our country and got connected with them virtually. I also learned many new things from them as well. So, this UNV is a good platform and a best avenue to explore various ways of volunteering. A big thanks to UNV for providing a platform to me to volunteer for a social cause and be a part of growth and development of our society. Apart from this, I myself has initiated and started an NGO last year on 17th of March 2019 by the name Socialized Society Servant. Our organization works on the principle of socialism, secularism, sacrifice. We work with a motto of service to humanity. Our NGO, Socialized Society Servant, works under three wings. That is, first, it mainly works for rural education and its development. Secondly, it engages in various charity works. Third, it works for a cause as per time and demand. So today, It's more than a year that we have established or initiated this NGO, and in this 1 year we have done various social events, like we have distributed books to various government school children at different places. On this World Environment Day, we have also distributed cloth bags to the general public and encouraged them to use it, and also to say no to plastic bags. So, as it's only a year, now there are many more miles to go to explore and expand our NGO, our organization, in various social activities for well-being and development of our society. So, now you have seen how I have engaged in various volunteering activities. From this volunteerism, I have really learned many new things, and I have also explored many dimensions that I was unaware of. So here I personally ask all my friends and the young vibrant youth of our country to engage in various volunteering activities and work for the betterment of our society and nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.